Just had a mallard drake land in my decoys. Literally just getting set up, still getting this GoPro on my head set up. But the duck's working so good, I'm just gonna let him swim until I get this thing fully set up. Don't want to get too greedy. Yeah, he doesn't even mind me talking. Oh look, there's 2 more ducks. What we got? Teal. Green-winged teal. That's crazy. As I was just saying, I just got set up. Got all my decoys out, got my other GoPro set up. Got this one finally, you know, good to go. I have 2 ducks in my decoys, a Drake green-winged teal and a Drake mallard. Just kind of watching them right now. You know, they're sitting on the water. The way they're working today, we got the perfect wind, perfect conditions to get limited out in, I would guess, less than an hour, probably even less than that if I really wanted to, but kind of just like watching them too, you know. So, this will be a hell of a hunt though, stay tuned. Kind of battling a cold right now, but my duck fever is worse than any other fever I can have. There's only one, and I know how to cure the duck fever, you know. Come on, right here, right here. Cup right into me. One down. First one of the day. Nice old greenhead. Got the drake. Not too bad of hunting so far. Just knocked a drake out of one flock, and then a hen just came cupped up, and I'm like, am I gonna let pass on you? So I grab my shells and we'll grab my birds, and 3 away from the limit. Pair of mallards, 3 more to go. Got some swans. Look at those. Those are beautiful. Awesome. Oh, 2 ducks right there too. Which one's a drake? He is. There's the Susie. Get distracted by swans and have another pair coming. Look at the red legs on him. It's a nice old greenhead. And that is why you always keep your gun loaded. I look up, you know, looking at them swans. Heck, there's 2 mallards right in front of me. That drake's gonna land right out in front. Oh, I don't even see him in my decoys. Here's a drake. Watch him. He knows he's safe. Look at them, they're just coming mile high. And they'll just cup in and want right in. This is awesome. It's days like this that make all the hard hunts that much better, you know. There's my bonus bird. Just coming out to check on this camera. Drake bufflehead came right over me. These birds are so pretty. Look at that. See, we got more birds flying. Here they come. Yep, there's the bufflehead. Oh, there's another pair of ducks. This is fun just filming them. Well, I'm limited out for the day on ducks. 5 mallards and a bufflehead drake. Devin's on his way down here. I told him right before I left today, I'm like, dude, you need to try to get off work. It's gonna be hot and heavy action, and I wasn't wrong. I mean, it wasn't wasn't as fast as I thought it was gonna be, but the birds were working. Now there goes the bufflehead right now, but the birds were working perfect. Like they would just come right in and they're just swooping. Yeah, he wants to land in. There he goes, landed right by my decoys. But I digress. Anyways, told him you need to get off work early. There's gonna be a lot of birds out here, and he's walking down right now as I'm speaking. So, you know, unless there's some geese flying, I'm done for the day, which I'm perfectly fine with. Let him shoot, then all the pressure's on him. And there's Devin with his first duck of the day. Nice old greenhead. These are the red legs. Finally got them down.
That's why
what?
You don't shoot tight pattern chokes at 15 yards.
So you're just like, my buddy's shooting birds. We need to get out here.
Yeah, I was like, Matt said I need to get my ass out there. And when he says that, it's serious.
Well, I wasn't lying. Is that a goose?
That is a goose.
There's a goose with a swan. Yep.
It's no question about that one. Can you fetch her up?
No. You shoot him, you fetch him. I'm not your dog. It's a Susie. Kill her. No.
Hey!
Go! Hey! There you go. 3. Better make sure they're a drake. Like that's a drake right there. Is that a greenhead? Yep. Yep, greenhead. Boom, limit. Dude, high five. That's a day. Well, had to make sure he was a drake before Devin shot him. Well, there's 6 and 6. That makes 12. Come here, bud. There we go. Ooh. Look at the big ol', look at the red legs on him. Another nice drake. We finally got our push mallards, I'd say.
It's a good thing I shot a limit since I took off work early.
I told you it's gonna be a good day.
I was thinking, I got out here, I was like, you know, they're probably all gonna be done. I'm gonna get them done. Right as I mounted my gun, I was just like, you know, watch me miss this. 3 times at a drake at 5 yards. That would have been hilarious. I would have thought it was funny. Well, not bad for an afternoon hunt. Definitely worth taking work off for. That's for sure.
Yeah, the birds are finally here. We've been waiting for this since November, and they were here and they worked beautifully.
It just took a week of sub 10-degree temperatures to get us down here, so it's a good deal. Ready to swack them again tomorrow.
We're gonna go eat some soup, skin these birds, and get ready for tomorrow. Stay tuned. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to go subscribe to our channel down below. Check out our other videos over here or over here. I don't know where the video is gonna go. And go check us out on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks.